Make learning Marathi a delightful journey with targets. Nurture Marathi learning books for kids. Introduce your child to the Marathi alphabet with Nurture Marathi Mulakshare. With large fonts and colorful illustrated examples, your child will learn how to identify individual Marathi letters. Nurture Marathi Akshar Lekhan will teach your kid how to write Marathi letters properly. It has bright fonts, directions to write as well as ample space for children to practice writing by tracing as well as freehand. To make the process fun, we have included interactive activities in the book. In Nurture Marathi Shabd Olakh, kids will learn how to form words through writing practice. With labeled picture examples and a special reading section, it will vastly improve your child's vocabulary and reading skills. With this perfect Marathi starter kit, pave the road to easy language learning for your kid.